everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. Find top 5 most revenue earning products. Here we have a product table which has a product ID, product category, product name, and revenue column. Let's see in the practical how we can get it. So let's go. So let's execute this statement. Here we have a product table which has 20 records. Now to get top 5 revenue earning products, there are multiple ways by which we can get it. One is we can use limit function. So let's see. Select everything from products order by revenue descending limit 5. We are using order by clause which will sort revenue column in descending. Therefore, we will get highest value on top. Limit function is used to limit the number of records in the output. Here we want only 5 records. Therefore, I have mentioned limit 5. So select everything from products order by revenue descending limit 5. First, we will execute only this much statement which will arrange revenue column in descending. We got highest revenue products on top, that is mobile Apple 5 lakh, mobile Samsung 3 lakh, fashion jeans 2 lakh 50,000, mobile Motorola 2 lakhs, mobile Lenovo 2 lakhs, electronics TV 2 lakhs, electronic mixture 1 lakh 50,000, and so on. Here we want to get only top 5 products. So 1, 2, 3, and these 3 products will share the same number 4, and this one is 5. That means at the output we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records because these 3 products has the same revenue 2 lakhs. So let's see the output. Here we got only 5 records because limit 5 will limit the number of records in the output. Next, we will try with the rank window function which will assign number to each row. Select everything, comma rank over order by revenue descending as top selling products from products table. So let's execute this statement. You can see it assigned unique number to each row. So here this is rank 1, 2, 3, and these 3 products has the same revenue, therefore they are sharing the same rank 4. But the next rank is 7, not 5, because rank window function assigns the same rank to row which has equal values. So it is assigning 4 to all these rows which has same revenue and skips the number of position after records with the same rank number. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it skips 5, 6, and the next number is 7 assigned to next highest revenue. To get next rank as 5 instead of 7, we will use dense rank window function which assigns the same rank to equal values without gap, which will result in consecutive ranks. That means it will show 5 instead of 7 without skipping the rank. Let's try with the dense rank function. Select everything dense rank over order by revenue descending as top selling products from products table. Let's execute this statement. You can see it has assigned 1, 2, 3 and rank 4 for all 3 products which has same revenue, and the next rank it has assigned 5. Other is 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Here we want to show only top 5 products, and therefore we will use the condition where top 5 revenue products are less than equal to 5. Keep this statement in the subquery and will execute. This will give only top 5 products 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way we can get top 2, top 3, top 4 any number by changing this condition in the where clause. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.